Kasi kanina sa
Okay, magbabalik ang Bicol Real Estate News TV mula rito sa Camela Side Pili. Kasama ko again si Ma'am Lenny Bernejo, isa sa pinakamasigasig at pinakamagandang marketing officer ng Camellia Pili and Camellia Naga. Alright, so pag-usapan naman natin ngayon Ma'am Lenny, kasi napag-usapan mo naman kanina yung regarding sa mga turnover, tapos sa mga simultaneous na pagbebenta at saka sa mga kumukuha ng kliyente, yung turnover mabilis. Gusto natin malaman ngayon yung gaano ba kabilis at kasimple ang mag-reserve ng property sa Camellia. Ako as an agent, naranasan ko yun na napakabilis ng Camellia. Kahit nandun ka sa ibang lugar, di ba? The marketing officers are ready to assist you anytime, anywhere. Kasi alam mo naman, online naman. But I would like to hear it from the horse's mouth, mismo kay Ma'am Lenny, kung paano ang reservation, especially for our OFW clients, and also for those who are not here in Bicol na kailangan pumunta sa opisina. So, paano ba? Sige nga, Ma'am Lenny.
Ayan, so actually, Sir Fred, napakaganda na na-open mo yan. Kasi with Camellia, actually, the Vistaland naman, we're already doing the online transactions for our reservations. So, actually, it started, naging mas effective ito during the pandemic. Kasi, we know everyone is online na, mahirap na yung on-site transaction. So, doon natin mas napaikting yung online. So, beginning that, meron po tayong mga online reservation na. So, this is a perfect option na po para po sa ating mga clients, future homeowners, and investors na gustong mag-invest in Camellia Pili but they cannot come to our office po. So, pwede natin siyang i-assist using our online portal. So, we do have our online portal po where they can fill out our buyer's information sheet, and then the rest of the process, including the interviews, we can do it online then. So, we have what we call this? We have applications naman like Zoom and others din po.
Tapos magka sa virtual insight treatment na nagawa natin.
We do provide videos naman if they want to see the actual photos or videos of our site. And by the way, sir,